Hey friends! Car vacuum cleaners are essential in 2026 for maintaining spotless interiors, easily removing dust, debris, and pet hair. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car vacuum cleaners in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Kick Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. This 15,000 PA cyclonic handheld device is a compact powerhouse designed for effortless cleaning at home, in your vehicle, or on the go. Equipped with a high-speed 72,000 revolutions per minute motor and advanced cyclonic technology, it delivers strong, consistent suction to remove dust, debris, and stubborn pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and tight spaces. The cyclonic action keeps the filter cleaner for longer, maintaining peak performance during deep cleans. Versatility is a standout feature, as it comes with multiple attachments like a long suction nozzle, brush nozzle, and extended hose to easily reach under seats and into crevices. Its dual HEPA and washable metal filter system ensures powerful suction while minimizing clogging, and the 400 ml dustbin is easy to empty. Powered by a 7,800 mAh battery, it offers up to 30 minutes of runtime and recharges in just 3.5 hours via a Type-C port. Weighing only 1.7 pounds with an ergonomic handle and smart lock, it remains a highly reliable, all-in-one cleaning solution. Next up, our second product, the IHE Car Vacuum Cleaner. This 3-in-1 multifunctional device is a compact powerhouse designed for effortless cleaning everywhere from vehicle interiors to hard-to-reach keyboard gaps. Combining blowing, suction, and pumping functions, it handles everything from tight crevices to larger surface stains on upholstery and floor mats, ensuring all cleaning needs are met with ease. Equipped with a 15,000 PA upgraded motor, it delivers impressive suction to efficiently pick up sand, dust, and debris across both small corners and broad areas. The washable HEPA filter guarantees long-term durability while maintaining excellent filtration to keep your environment dust-free. Portability is a major highlight, being lightweight, cordless, and compact. It conveniently stores in a glove box or console along with its full set of accessories. With a 120W output and a 2000 mAh USB rechargeable battery, it provides quick, convenient power for both wet and dry messes, making maintenance simple and stress-free. Coming in at number 3, the Power Practical Car Vacuum Cleaner. This mini vacuum is a compact, highly practical solution for keeping your vehicle spotless. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle, yet powerful enough to tackle ash, dust, pet hair, crumbs, and everyday food spills. A large dustbin allows for extended cleaning without the constant need for emptying, while the ergonomic design makes maneuvering and storage incredibly hassle-free. Equipped with a 106W motor and cyclonic suction, it delivers strong, consistent power to lift dirt from challenging areas, including under seats and deep within crevices. The top-of-the-line washable HEPA filter ensures lasting performance and maintains clean air during operation. It arrives with a complete interior detailing kit, featuring 3 versatile attachments, a flathead, an extendable hose, and a brush nozzle, plus a carry bag, filter brush, and spare filter. Powered directly by a 12V AUX outlet, its 16-foot cord provides ample reach for back seats, trunks, and large SUVs. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Voice Tank Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This 4-in-1 multifunctional mini device is a true game-changer for drivers and those with busy lifestyles. Combining vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and suction, it serves as a versatile, all-in-one cleaning tool. It includes 10 practical accessories, such as a crevice nozzle, flexible hose, push-in brush, multi-surface brush, and pet brush, allowing you to tackle fine dust, debris, and stubborn pet hair effortlessly. Powered by an 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it generates a robust 16.8 kilopascals of suction to handle fine sand and messes with absolute ease. Eco mode delivers 30 to 40 minutes of runtime, while max mode provides 10 to 20 minutes for highly intensive detailing. Type-C fast charging fully powers the battery in just 2.5 hours, maximizing convenience. Weighing only 1 pound, it is ultra-light, highly portable, and incredibly easy to store. The 170 ml dust cup features one-touch emptying, and alongside its HEPA filter, guarantees a hygienic and hassle-free experience ideal for road trips or daily maintenance. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Mr.ego Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This versatile, high-performance tool is expertly designed to make cleaning completely effortless, whether you are outdoors or detailing your ride. Powered by a 100,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers a massive 20,000 pascals of suction that easily lifts crumbs, pet hair, and debris from tight crevices, floor mats, and more. Its 4-in-1 functionality also adds blowing, inflating, and deflating capabilities, making it ideal for air mattresses and pool floats on camping trips. The unit includes a comprehensive set of accessories, including crevice nozzles, brush heads, extended suction tubes, and dual-purpose air nozzles to tackle any task efficiently. A bright green LED light illuminates hidden dirt in dark corners, ensuring a thorough clean every single time. Weighing just 1 pound, it fits perfectly in door pockets or center consoles. Type-C fast charging restores full power in under 3 hours, while the one-touch emptying system keeps disposal mess-free, offering a remarkably compact solution for consistent cleaning. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.